Hi Hans, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Lucy, welcome. And today we're gonna celebrate Chinese New Year. I was thinking about saying hello, Happy New Year in Chinese, but then I thought like probably I'm gonna butcher this and I don't wanna offend anyone, at least not in this video. Or maybe I would be great at Chinese because of my Asian ancestors, you never know. In today's episode, I'm gonna go through Year of the Pig Sephora collection, and I'm gonna have some special giveaway at the end, so keep on watching. I know this video is all but overdue, but I'm coming out from a crazy flu. I was sleeping for a week straight and I didn't have strength even to get out of the bed, so not to mention film something. So I'm sorry I'm a little bit late, but I'm catching up as fast as I can. If you didn't know, in Chinese culture, New Year is celebrated more or less like Christmas in Western culture. We are now in the Year of Pig. It means it's a year of wealth, good luck and fortune. So no wonder that a lot of brands try to milk this. We have the Gucci collection with the pigs, and a lot of beauty brands are delivering special packaging or special collection. They are red with gold and pigs, you know, to get some serious coins. And today we're gonna discuss one of those collection. It's gonna be Sephora collection Year of the Pig. I have the brush set and the eyeshadow palette. So let's dig into the brushes. So the brush set comes with this plastic brush holder with a sitting pig, and you have 4 brushes. The most interesting brush in this collection is this foundation brush that looks like a pig nose. It's super soft, it feels so comfortable on the skin, but I've already applied my foundation, so we're not gonna test this out today, sorry. Then you have another big brush. This one you can use for contour, bronzer, blush, or even maybe for a highlight. And then we have 2 eyeshadow brushes, one for blending and one for buffing. And on the website you can read that this 4-piece brush set is enough to make a full face makeup. Well, I don't know how about you, but 2 eyeshadow brushes is not enough for me. And now let's go to the star of this collection, the eyeshadow palette. The packaging is so lovely and the pig is so cute. So inside you have 3 different finishes: mattes, pearls and metallics. And this palette is giving me serious blood sugar vibes. I must say this, when I saw this palette online, I thought it's gonna be at least double the size. And when I got this, I was like, oh my god, it's so tiny. It looks like a travel palette, but the price on it, well, I'm gonna use it for my travels, if I'm gonna go anywhere. The color story is very simple. We have a lot of nudes with all the browns and purples, as I said, like serious blood sugar moment. And let's swatch a few of those. I'm gonna start with the lightest shade. It looks like this on my finger. I think the quality of the eyeshadow is good. They are quite buttery and go very smoothly. I think this shade is gonna be nice for under your eyebrows. Let's swatch maybe this one here. On finger it looks like this. Okay, it's very subtle. I don't know if you can see this on camera. You can actually use this one as a highlight. So maybe now let's swatch one of the darkest one, maybe this browny shade here. It looks like this on the finger. Ooh, it goes on your skin like butter. And let's see how it blends. Oh, I think it's gonna blend quite nicely. I'm gonna grab the fluffy brush from this collection and I'm gonna go with this shade number 6 and use this as my transitional shade. And just put this all over my lid. Oh, this evens out my skin color so well. It's obviously like a good base. It gives me a little bit of like a blur effect. I don't know if you see this on camera, but in the mirror it looks very lovely. Another brush from this collection, I'm gonna go with the shade number 4, this plummy shade, and I'm gonna put this in my... I was hoping to put this in my crease, but this brush is a little bit too big, so let's go and put this all over the lid as it already applied itself. I'm pleasantly surprised by the quality of the eyeshadows, and the quality of the palette itself is a little bit tricky because, as you can see, the pans with eyeshadows are a little bit crooked, and that makes me crazy. I'm super OCD. I have to have everything straight and organized, so when I see those crooked eyeshadow, Lord Jesus, I wanna cry. I literally wanna cry. I'm gonna grab my own brush and I'm gonna go with this brown shade at the end and put this in my crease and in my outer corner. Those eyeshadows are blending very nicely. I'm not mad at those at all. I just wish there was like a super deep brown inside, because you have a lot of those nudes that look almost the same. Now I'm gonna go with the small brush and the shade number 1, this light nude shade, and put this under my eyebrows. And before we're gonna go to lower lash line, I'm gonna grab Man Eater eyeliner from Tarte Sweet Escape eyeshadow palette. If you want to win this one, wait till the end of the video. Now let the eyeliner dry. I'm gonna go for my Morphe white eye pencil, and I'm gonna draw white line on my waterline and a little bit under my lashes. And now with the flat brush, I'm gonna go back to the darkest shade from this palette. Now I'm gonna go for this shade number 5 and blend the lower lash line. This shade on its own looks so stunning. I think we need a little bit of the dark shade to give more definition on the lower lash line. So I'm gonna dig into Sweet Escape palette and the shade Cave Dive, this black one. And for the highlight, I'm gonna use the shade number 2 for this palette. I'm just gonna go with my Morphe brush. It's not intense at all, but I think with this intense eye look, we don't need intense highlight. I'm gonna make some final touches off camera and be right back. I've applied Illamasqua lashes and Urban Decay Exhibition lipstick, and let's go to my final thoughts about this Sephora collection Year of the Pig. I'm gonna be honest, I'm a fan of Sephora brushes. I think they are good quality for the price, but that being said, I wish for the price point of this set there were at least 2 more brushes for the eyes. The pig brush, super cute, and I don't want to use it because it's so damn cute. I don't want to ruin it. The rest of the brushes, of course, I'm gonna use for like my everyday routine, because as I said, those are good quality brushes. They're super soft and they do their job just perfectly. As far as the eyeshadow palette goes, well, oh, happy piggy year! I'm a little bit surprised. I thought it's gonna be totally gimmicky, but actually the quality of the eyeshadows is quite decent. The only thing is I'm disappointed with the color story. You have a lot of those light shades that will work perfectly as a base shade, or if you want to create like a makeup no makeup look, but because this is a Year of the Pig and it's supposed to be all about red and gold, and we don't have any proper gold inside or any reddish shade, so I wish they would put those shades inside, and also like a deep dark chocolatey brown to give like a more definition to the eye. And especially when this palette is so small, so I would treat this as a travel palette, and when you travel you just want to pack one eyeshadow palette and have those different options to create day and night look. Oh, and my eyelash is falling. And to sum up everything, I think this collection is basically what you could expect. The packaging is on the new year, the year of the pig trend. The quality is the Sephora quality, so the brushes are very good. The eyeshadows are very decent, but the details could be done a little bit better, and I think the color story was made in a rush, so they will just be ready for the New Year's. But it is a limited edition collection, and the Year of the Pig, it's not gonna come back in this decade. So if you're like me and you like to collect makeup, you can grab this one and just put in your archives. But if you're looking for the brushes and the palette that you're gonna use almost every day, I would recommend for you to go and look for something different. It's time for the thing that you've been waiting for, the giveaway. And since the Year of the Pig is about wealth and happiness, I want to share with you my happiness to thank you for your love and support. So I'm gonna give away the Sweet Escape set. I did the review of this a few weeks ago. I'm gonna link this over here. And since I have 2 boxes of those, I'm gonna give away one, and the rules are super simple. All you need to do is to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. Everything's gonna be in the description down below, and write a comment. It can be any comment. You can share with me what's your favorite Year of the Pig product, or what kind of product would you like me to test on this channel, or it can be anything. You can share with me your favorite movie or your favorite dish, whatever. And out of those people who are gonna comment, I'm gonna choose one at random, and I'm gonna send the Sweet Escape set. So good luck, thank you for being here with me, and as always, see you in the next one. Bye!